and I'm gonna be king of the pirates.
You probably recognize this scene, right? Today, we're going to turn this amazing character into a drawing step by step. I'm going to show you exactly how to draw One Piece, even if you're a beginner. It's super easy. Grab your pencil. Let's get started. Secure the paper so it doesn't move, especially if you're a beginner. That way, only the pencil moves, making your drawing more precise and easier to control. We start with a 2B pencil because it's perfect for the early stages of the drawing. It's soft enough to create light, easy to erase lines, while still being visible enough to build accurate proportions. Start by imagining a circle to build the base of the head. If you're a beginner, don't hesitate to draw it fully. Use a lighter pencil than 2B to avoid leaving strong visible marks. Now we move on to the eyes. Start by sketching the general shapes without pressing too hard. Keep your lines simple at first, then gradually refine the details to capture the character's expression. Now we add the mouth. Draw a simple shape to define the smile without pressing too hard. Take your time to position the curve correctly to capture the character's expression. Now add the details of the mouth. Draw the line for the teeth and define the inside without pressing too hard. The goal is to give volume to the smile while keeping a clean result. Now we move on to the eyebrows. Draw them with slightly stronger lines to emphasize the expression. Pay attention to their angle, as it plays an important role in the character's personality. Now we move on to the chin and the shape of the face. Gently draw the outlines to define the jaw and give structure to the face. Now we can really start to see the character come to life. The features are taking shape and the expression is becoming more recognizable. Now let's move on to the hair to add more character to the drawing. Now we start drawing the first lines of the hat. Use light strokes to position the shape without pressing too hard. Take your time to keep the proportions aligned with the head. Now we add the ear. Start with the outer shape, then add the inner details using light strokes. Pay attention to its position so it aligns properly with the eyes and the jaw. Now we add the hair on the lower part. Draw simple strands following the shape of the face without pressing too hard. Try to keep the style natural and dynamic. Now we add the shoulder. Draw a simple, smooth line to suggest the character's posture. Keep your lines light so you can easily adjust if needed. Now we add the fingers. Start with simple shapes to position the hand without focusing on details right away. Make sure the proportions look natural compared to the arm. Now we continue with the arm. Draw a smooth line to define the volume and overall shape. Keep the proportions consistent with the shoulder and hand for a natural look. Now we add the final elements of the upper body. Draw the clothing outlines and details like the straps to enhance realism. Take your time to refine the shapes properly. We finish the drawing by adding the final details of the clothing and lower body. Slightly reinforce some lines to add depth and clarity. Take your time to check proportions for a clean final result. We finish with the hat, an iconic element that defines the identity of One Piece. Take your time to draw a shape carefully so it looks balanced and recognizable. Now we add detailed lines and small strokes in the hat and hair. These lines help create depth, texture, and movement in the drawing. Without them, the drawing looks flat, but with them, it becomes more lively and realistic. Here we use charcoal or a charcoal pencil for the hair. It gives a deeper black and a stronger result than a regular pencil. It's perfect for adding contrast and making certain parts of the drawing stand out. With another 2B pencil, slightly less sharp, we fill in the small details. This helps cover the areas evenly and achieve a more uniform result. Don't forget to respect the angles of the fingers. That's what gives a natural and realistic pose. Take your time to adjust each finger so they look consistent together.
看板裸足で走る破れた旗がまだ笑ってる傷だらけでも握ったコンパス嘘じゃない未来ここから描く置いてきた港振り返らない震える拳空へ突き上げる無理だって声波に沈めて胸の羅針盤ただ一つだけ海図なき未来へ舵を切れ嵐ごと笑い飛ばし続け涙より眩しい
With the 2B pencil, we start adding shadows. Use simple strokes to keep the drawing style without overfilling the areas. This helps create depth while maintaining a clean and stylized look.
この手で掴みに行く方の座をくだらない運命なんて蹴り飛ばせ自由の海で俺は生きてく真夜中の波月を飲み込む冷えた風さえ背中を押した分け合ったパンとちっぽけな地図笑い合うたび宝は増える沈みそうな日も肩を貸し合い震えた声で同じ歌を叫ぶ諦め方なら誰も知らない守りたい
Also, add shadows in this area to enhance the volume of the arm. Use light and consistent strokes to stay aligned with the drawing style.
迷っても笑い飛ばし行け傷よりも強いさ仲間の絆信じるなら暗闇も越えられる夢を追う晴れ限界までこの空の果てに立つ
We use the eraser to finish the shading. It helps clean the lines and remove any excess marks. It's also useful for softening certain areas and achieving a cleaner result.
いつか沈むとしても構わない後悔だけは罪にしないまだいけるだろう差し出したその手一人じゃ見えない
We continue with shading on the body. Add light strokes to enhance the volumes and bring more depth to the drawing. Stay subtle to keep a clean and balanced style.
仕事を笑い飛ばし行け涙より眩しい仲間の声
And that's it. The drawing is finished. We built the character step by step, keeping simple and dynamic lines to match the style. Take a moment to review the details, adjust if needed, and most importantly, keep practicing.